Alright, right off the bat, I want to say thank you for checking out this video, and we're just going to jump right into it real quick, short and sweet. So, we're going to talk a little bit about the teardrop, we'll talk a little bit about the plans, and then we'll talk about how you can get the plans so you can build your own teardrop. Now, if you're anything like me, you're interested in building your own teardrop, and I've watched hundreds if not thousands of videos on people's teardrops, and like you probably have scoured YouTube until it's exhausted with all the numerous videos of teardrops. People showing their builds and what it looks like when they're finished, but not many of them show you how to do it step by step. So that's what my channel is all about, on how to do it yourself, and if you stay with it, you can build your own teardrop. Now, I have designed this teardrop and I have built from my own plans. So I've created all the plans step by step for you, and if you follow the plans and along with the videos, well, you'll be able to build your own teardrop like this one. Alright, so if you get the plans, what are you going to receive? Well, you're going to receive over 50 pages of designs starting from the floor, and I've got every view that I think is possible that you're going to need, from how to assemble the flooring, the framing, what it looks like when it's all assembled and done. Next, you're going to start with the walls. I give you all the dimensions that you're going to need for the shape, where to place all your doors and make your notches, where the floor placement is, how to assemble it to the sidewall, to the floor, and cabinet dimensions. And also we begin starting the build as far as bulkheads. We have rear storage. I'll show you how to make the storage deck and supports for that, and the lids. And then we go to the countertop and the supports once all that storage unit is finished. And let's see if I can turn the page here. I'm trying to get in a rush. I don't want to tie up your time. Making sure everything's square, what it should look like. Then we move on to the cabinetry. I'll show you what it looks like overall, give you overall dimensions for the cabinetry. Not only that, but then I start showing you where it belongs into the trailer, how to assemble it. Then we move on the inside. I show you how to install the cabinetry on the back, and then also on the front, if I can get to that. Front storage here. Yeah, this is a little more challenging. And placements, how to install it. Then it goes from there. We start working on the inside ceiling, how to get that into place. I show you spar locations. So when you go to place your spars on top of your trailer, what it should look like when you're finished. We also have some rear spars for the corner and what it should look like when that is all finished. We move from that, then we go to the hatch, which is the scariest part of the build that everyone believes that they can't do, but I'm going to show you that it is super simple if you follow the dimensions that are on the plans and watch the videos. You could have it finished in a day, and what it should look like once it's installed. Then I'll show you how to mount the cabin onto the trailer frame itself, where the locations are. And last but not least, or first if you want to start here, is the trailer frame itself. So I give you the trailer frame, I give you all the dimensions for each piece, how it should be assembled, what it should look like when it is finished. And if you follow the plans and if you watch the videos in a very short period of time, you will have your own teardrop. So I hope that gives you a general idea of what you're going to build, and with the videos how to build it, and with the plans you'll be able to assemble each piece, and all the hard part is done for you. All you have to do is just measure things out, cut it, and start putting it together sort of like a puzzle. So I hope you're interested in enough that you would like to have the plans, and if you do, there is a link below to PayPal. Now, I use PayPal, I don't have Patreon or anything like that, and you can purchase the plans through there. Now there's a suggested amount, and that's kind of sort of fixed at the moment, And if you click on that link, that'll take you to PayPal. You make the payment. I see your email. I'll send it to the email that is in the PayPal account if you have an account. If not, then you can email me where you'd like to send the plans to. Now, if you don't have PayPal, you can also email me at batman97741@gmail.com, and I will send you a request and you can pay by credit card. Simple as that. And if all of else fails, then you can email me. My address is also in the link below, or in the description below the video. You can send me a check, money order, or something along that line. Regardless, we'll get you the plans, and because I want you to start building your own, something you can be proud of, and it'll get you off the couch and out of the house. So there's a lot of adventure to see. Life is short, so don't spend it in one place like on the couch. So time to get off, time to get moving, time to get building. Click the link below, get your set of plans, and boom, you'll be teardropping before you know it. And if you're watching the videos, or if you haven't watched it all except the first one, this is what you'll end up with. And I think it looks pretty good myself. So I'm still in the building process. We still have a few things to go, but I'm having a lot of fun, and I know that you will have fun too. So thanks for clicking on this video and watching that till the end, and hope it wasn't too sporadic, too boring, and too quick, or whatever gives you that urge to thumb down. So with that, I'd like to say thank you, and do stay tuned and watch all the videos. I think you'll be impressed at what you can do.